The self-locking retaining ring helps to secure the plunger inside your grease gun. It fits over the top of the split retaining ring on the plunger shaft and prevents the split ring from being pulled loose. The self-locking retaining ring is most commonly replaced because it was removed for another repair. Removing the ring will reduce its ability to firmly grip the plunger shaft. It should be replaced each time it is removed. Installing a new self-locking retaining ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the barrel assembly. Now I can disassemble the barrel assembly. I'll remove the cap from the barrel. Now I can remove the self-locking retaining ring. I'll use a pair of pliers to pull it off of the shaft. This retaining ring will need to be replaced each time you remove it. Now I can install the new self-locking retaining ring. I've placed a socket over the retaining ring, and I'll use a mallet to tap it into place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the barrel. And that's how easy it is to replace the self-locking retaining ring in your grease gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.